In this video, I will show you how to change Minecraft username. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I've currently got the Minecraft launch opened and I'm logged into my account. Now once you've done that, you want to come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto settings. It's going to take you across to your settings, and from here you want to come up to the top and click onto accounts. So what you want to do is locate the account that you want to change your username for, come to the right of your account and press onto these three dots, and then what you want to do is click onto manage Minecraft Java Edition profile. So what that's going to do is open up a window like this, and what you need to do is sign in with Microsoft. Once you've done that, you're going to be redirected to a page like this. Now if you don't see this page, just come up to the top right hand corner, click onto account and then onto profile, which will take you to this page. Then what you need to do is locate Minecraft Java Edition just here, and you can see underneath we got an option for profile name. So if you click onto this way you can come to change your username. Just to note that your profile name is the name displayed in game to let other players know who you are. A name change can only be made once every 30 days. So that's just something to bear in mind, but all you want to do is basically enter your new name into here, just like so, and then come down and press the green change profile name button. Now if the name already exists, then you're going to have to try something else. So let's try this one. And as you can see, our name has now changed, but we're not able to change it again for 30 days as you can only change it every 30 days. So that is how to change Minecraft username. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.